Blocked ears can affect your daily life more than you realize. Simple conversations become harder to follow, sounds feel muffled, and some people even experience ringing or dizziness caused by impacted earwax. At Hearing First East Finchley, Earwax Removal and Hearing Aids, our audiologists provide professional microsuction earwax removal using safe and effective specialist equipment. Microsuction continues to trend across the hearing care industry because more patients are searching for safe alternatives to DIY ear cleaning and traditional ear syringing. Unlike irrigation methods, microsuction uses gentle medical suction to carefully remove wax under direct visual guidance. This allows audiologists to work with precision while prioritizing patient comfort and safety. At our East Finchley clinic, we regularly help patients with blocked ears, tinnitus, muffled hearing, itchy ears, hearing aid feedback, and pressure caused by wax buildup. Many people don't realize that using cotton buds can actually worsen earwax blockage by pushing wax deeper into the ear canal. Professional treatment is often the safest and most effective solution. Our clinic inside Cootes Pharmacy uses ENT-grade equipment and sterile disposable instruments to maintain excellent hygiene and hearing care standards. Patients often describe microsuction as quick, comfortable, and immediately effective. If your hearing has changed recently or your ears feel blocked, don't wait for symptoms to become more frustrating. Book your appointment with Hearing First East Finchley today and experience safe professional earwax removal from trusted audiologists.